In today's class, we are going to discuss chapter 2 of English, that is Evening. This is one of the beautiful poem written by Thomas Miller. First, we will talk about the famous poet of the modern era. He is liked by his spiritual ideas and beautiful language among the literature, and literate people like to read his beautiful poems. This poem is one of his masterpieces. So now we are going to start discussing about the poem Evening. The day is past, the sun is set. The poem the poet tried to explain that the day is past, the day have been past and the sun is set now. And the white stars are in the sky. The beautiful white stars are shining in the sky. While the long grass with dew is wet, there are long grasses and there are dew. There are shining white dew in the grasses, and through the air the bats now fly. There are bats flying in the night. Now it's night time, so the bats are coming out and they are flying. The lamb has now lain down to sleep. The lamb, the sheep lambs are laying, they are sleeping in a deep sleep. The birds have long since sought their nest. The birds have found their nest. Birds are taking rest in their nest and they are no longer roaming here and there. The air is still and dark and deep. The air is still, is very quiet. There is dark. Inside the old wood rest. On the hillside we can see that small forest area are on rest. No one is moving in the forest. Everyone is silent and they are taking rest. Yet of the dark I have no fear. Now the writer is trying to say, yet it is very dark, but I have no fear. He is not having any fear in his mind, but feel as safe as when it lights. The writer is telling he is feeling as safe as if he is there in the light. For I know God is with me there. Why he is trying to say like this? He is trying to say like this because he is thinking that God is with him everywhere and he will guard me through the night. And whatever will happen, the God is going to protect the writer. So the writer is not worried about anything. So the next stanza, the next three stanza explains about the poet is nobleman. He bows down before God, and the poet describes the God love all. For God is be me when I pray. He is trying to say, the poet is trying to say that God is with the poet when he is praying, and when I close mine eyes to sleep, and when he is closing his eyes to sleep, I know that he will with me stay. You know when he will sleep also, or he will stay, or he will talk, he is doing every activities. The God is there to look after him, and will so all the night he is not worried about anything. For he who rule the star and sea, the God is ruling the whole stars and sea, who make the grass and the tree grow. He is ruling everything. He is taking care of everything. Will look on a poor child like me. He will also look or he will also take care of a poor child, that is poet. When on my knees I to him bow. He is telling, I am on my knees, I am sitting on my knees and I am bowing my head, I am remembering God for his grace and his powerful things he has made the world. He holds all things in his right hand, the rich, the poor, the great, the small. The poet is trying to say that he is holding everything in his right hand. Either it can be a rich person, a poor person, a great person, or a small creatures. When we sleep or sit or stand, either we are sleeping or we are sitting or we are standing, but God is always there with us. He is with us, for He loves us all. So He is trying to say the God will be with everyone, either it can be rich, poor, any person. So this was the beautiful poem of evening. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you and have a nice day.